Today we will learn how to create a presentation slides in PowerPoint 2019. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint is often used to create business presentations, but can also be used for educational or informal purposes. PowerPoint presentations are useful no matter what the topic and help communicate ideas to an audience. So let us create the presentation. The following are steps on how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation. However, certain steps may vary slightly depending upon what version of PowerPoint you are using. This tutorial is specifically using PowerPoint 2019. Step 1. The first step of working inside of any of the Microsoft Office applications is that open the application. So, we're going to take a really quick simple look at launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Now taking a look at my desktop, I've got a shortcut key directed towards Microsoft PowerPoint 2019. All I need to do is give that a double click and I'll launch PowerPoint. There it is. When you launch the PowerPoint program, you may be prompted to pick what kind of document you want to create. Choose to create a blank presentation, or choose any template you desire. Step 2. Add a slide. There are many ways that you can add slides to your presentation. The first way to add another slide is to click New Slide in the toolbar above the slides. This button is divided into two parts. The top will insert a new slide with a default layout. You can also click the bottom half of this button, which will allow you to choose what type of layout you want. You will see your new slide appear to the left under the first, as well become the large slide that you can edit. There it is. Very simple, right? The second way to add a slide is to right-click the area under where your first slide is located and select New Slide. A new slide will appear. Step 3. Choosing a design. The next thing you want to do is decide what design you want for the presentation. To do this, go to the Design tab at the top of the page. Scroll through all the options and decide which one looks best for the presentation you want. To get a preview of what the design will look like before applying it to the presentation, hover over the design you want to preview. The Choose Design will be automatically continued throughout the rest of your presentation. Once you have more than one slide, you can add a different design for just one slide. To do this, select the slide you want to change the design on by clicking on it. It will pop up as the big slide in the screen. Then you can right-click the design you want for this slide and select Apply to Selected Slide. It will appear on that slide, but will not change the design of the other slides. Step 4. Add title and format text. Click the first box that says, Click to add title, and add the title of your presentation. Click the bottom box to add text, or any other subtitle that you choose. Once you have your text in the boxes, you can change their font, size, color, etc. with the toolbar options at the top. You can change the size of the text box by selecting it, and then dragging the corners of the box. To move the text boxes, select the box, and move your arrow over the border of the box. A 4-arrow icon will appear, and clicking with this icon will allow you to move the text boxes wherever you choose. Step 5. Add a picture, shape, or chart. If you want to insert a chart, picture, graph, or any other graphic, click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. Here you will see buttons of all the options of what you can insert into your slide. Click the designated box and insert what it is you want to have on that slide. A second way you can insert pictures and graphs is when you have an empty text. Little pictures of the same options you saw in the toolbox will show up in the middle of the box, and you can click any of these to insert as well. Once you have your chart or picture, you can add a border or edit it however you want in the Format tab. Step 6. Once you have all your slides made, you can change the order of the slides. To do this, click and drag the slides from where they are to where you want them in the order. Once you have all your slides completed and in the order you want, view your slideshow. Click the Slideshow tab at the top of the page and select From Beginning. You can go through your entire slideshow, and change slides by clicking or pressing the right arrow. A shortcut to this is pressing F5. Congratulations! You have now made a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like our channel for more videos. See you in the next video.